CSS Group is one of the most diversified business conglomerates in Africa, with a reputation for excellence and creativity. Headquartered in the nation's Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nigeria, CSS Group is a homegrown company poised to efficiently provide excellent goods and services at a competitive price through creativity, innovative technology, and strategic partnerships.
The full meaning of CSS is called servant to service, and that was taken from 1 Corinthians chapter 7 from verses 20-21. And every one of us is called to serve. From that name, we're able to launch out into different segments of the organization. We have the CSS construction, we have the CSS integrated farms, we have the CSS energy, Rator, so many things that we are doing. But in the area of farming, by the mercy of God, in less than 2 years of existence or 3 years of existence, we are number one, the fastest growing agricultural training center in this country today. More than this country, even in West Africa. We do a lot of training, and our vision is simple. We want to empower young men who have lost hope of existence, who have lost hope of having a job. We turn them to heroes. We say in our place, farmers are heroes. And the whole idea is to make sure we engage them, teach them the basic techniques, let them know what they ought to do. We deployed every known technology. We have hydroponics, where we grow vegetables with water. The greenhouses, where we are able to condition the plants to the environment we want to give us the result we need. You can imagine a place like Nasara where we are growing carrots, grapes, we are growing seedless cucumber, we are growing sweet melon, so many things, which ordinarily before now is not possible. So I believe that agriculture is the way to go. One thing I realized, people can stay without job, but they can't stay without food. So if we are able to get food to the market, and that's our target, we want to make sure that Nigerians can access food easily here with our farm and at the cheapest price affordable. If you go around today, we sell eggs cheaper than any other farm in Nigeria. We sell chicken cheaper than any other farm in Nigeria. Why? We produce everything we need in our farm, and we use what we cultivate to feed our animals, and so we can control the prices. That's where we are going. By the mercy of God, we have almost 1,000 hectares of land, and we are still increasing because we want to make sure that people can really have access to food. We want to crash food prices in this country. We want to train many people and empower them. We have no business with unemployment. The space up is available for those who are ready to climb up. There's enough space for everyone. And I always say to young men and women, there's always a job for someone on top of his profession. If you are not there, you are not there. Nigeria as a nation consumes over 3.5 million metric tons of fish, and we are producing less than 1.5 million metric tons. You can imagine where everyone who is not employed is engaged in the production of that alone. Look at soybean, look at maize. The boys that I trained in the farm, we were able to do an experiment last year. The international standard for growing maize is about 1.69 tons per hectare. But my boys, we did 4.6 tons per hectare. So you can imagine that if we can engage ourselves and our energy into this area, into this line, Nigeria will be a heaven on earth. entered a place that was a virgin land, a place that people thought nothing good can come out from that place. But we turned it around. Former presidents have been there, Chief Justice of the Federation, former Chief Justices they have been there, governors, deputy governors from different states of the Federation that have been there. We have been training young people, nations from the people from South Africa, America, different part of the world, they have been there. We are running all kinds of training. And they are amazed because of what they have seen. We are bringing people closer to nature. And the beauty of our farm is that everything we grow in our farm is organic. And so these dignitaries can testify. And that's why they are excited each time they come there. It's been a wonderful place. It's a world-class center where we are turning lives around. I always say to them, no one comes here and leave the same. There must be a testimony. Many people are telling me, look, I was lost until I met you, because I spent time teaching them the power of vision, that the vision is the center of every human endeavor. When you don't have a vision, you cannot move. So we teach them a lot on that, and they're able to conceive it and run with it. And that's why when they get back to their states, they are able to help to add values. We have really done quite a lot, and we're still doing. And I believe our projection in the next 5 years, we are going to translate into Yigate University of Agriculture, where people will come to learn only about farming and agriculture. And that is where to go. A university where whether you have money or you don't have money, you can go and be trained and become a wealth creator. That's our target.
Farmers are heroes!
Excellence is our culture. Creativity is our brand. Passion is our drive. We believe that if you want to succeed in life, these three things must guide your actions. Your character defines your destination. Integrity defines your next level. Commitment determines how far you can go. No one can succeed looking back. This is why when you come to CSS, we make sure we train you, we rebrand you, you become a wealth creator. God bless you.